An out-of-date tub can really put a damper on that special relaxation time, but now homeowners can get their showers remodeled in as little as just one day, all with the help of Bath Fitter. Here to tell us about it, we have Justin Lon. And Justin, for those viewers who are unfamiliar, fill them in. What is Bath Fitter and what do you guys do?
Well, for about 30 years, Bath Fitter has been the specialist in the bathtub and shower remodel. We take care of pretty much everything in this area. We try to do it in as little as one day and give it a lifetime guarantee in the process.
Excellent. And this is something that you typically would see from Bath Fitter, right?
Yeah, a lot of our customers are very familiar with the tub liner process that Bath Fitter completes, but we're actually able to remove and replace a lot of existing situations and come up with a completely different layout for a tub to shower conversion or even ADA conversions.
Okay, and this is a good example of a tub to shower conversion where you took the tub out, you put the shower in place. Why is doing something like this better than a walk-in tub, which we hear so much about?
Well, walk-in tubs, just by design, they still leave some accessibility issues. They're not necessarily easy to move around in, whereas a shower, it all completely eliminates those, but it also maximizes the space that's available there as well.
That's great. And then I understand, too, you can actually customize the base of the shower to be wheelchair accessible if needed. And you can also do some safety features, which I know is probably really important to certain customers.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We do have multiple threshold options from what you see here down to what it would be a roll-in accessible, and exactly the ADA accessories and everything you see here is completely optional as well.
And if people do want to keep the bathtub, though, you do also offer tub liners.
Yeah, exactly. So we do have the option where we actually come in and take measurements of the existing liner. We have 675 molds available. There's only one for your tub. So just like two solo cups, one on top of the other, it's a perfect watertight fit, and it's made to last a lifetime.
Okay, so tell us a little more, though, about the installation process, whether we're doing a tub liner or if we're doing a tub to shower conversion.
So it's pretty simple to get things going. It's just reach out to us for an in-home consultation where we qualify that bathroom. The sales consultant will take measurements and get your ideas as far as how you'd like to move forward. And then from there, the installation is done by trained technicians. We have no subcontractors that are involved, and they know exactly what they're doing there. They're the specialists, so they're able to get it done usually in as little as one day. And again, it's that lifetime guarantee for our residential customers, and for commercial projects, still a 5-year warranty.
Okay, and that warranty too includes, just like what we're watching right now, the plumbing as well, anything that you touch, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. If we take care of your plumbing, the accessories, the hardware, the storage shelves, anything that Bath Fitter installs for you, we'll warranty as well and service that for the lifetime regardless.
Okay, and this is completely customizable too, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. We've done a little bit of math and come up to around 30,000 different options as far as the customization between the accessories, the hardware, the bases, and things of that nature. So with all those colors and styles, we have something to work with any style decor.
And why doing this? Why is this better than maybe repainting or resurfacing?
Well, repainting and resurfacing, they're very cost effective by design, but they're also temporary in that same as well. Whereas an acrylic tub liner or another Bath Fitter option is very permanent and it's made to last a lifetime.
Okay, and as mentioned, this is something you can do as possibly as little as one day, depending on what people pick with all the different customizations.
That's right.
So you don't have to worry about the demolition, you don't have to worry about the downtime, you're in, you're out, and then all of a sudden, wow, you have that new space that you've always been wanted. This could mean maybe some freedom for some in the bathroom.
Exactly right.
And this can maybe just mean that new space you've always been wanting to get a little bit of that spa atmosphere, if you will, when you're showering. If somebody's interested in this option, what do they do? So
whether you're trying to update the bathroom or actually solve an issue there, just reach out to us at the 916-250-1664 or bathfittersacramento.com. We'll get you on the schedule for a free in-home estimate, and we'll see if we can help you guys out.
Great, and you actually have a special offer for our viewers.
That's right. Sac & Co viewers get $450 off, and if you call today, the first 20 callers will also get an additional $150 off. We do have some special financing offers available for all of our customers.
Great, and once again, incredibly customizable. This is something where you can actually put the shower head to whatever height somebody needs, right?
That's correct. We'll definitely evaluate whatever your options are and what you would like to see there in the bathroom. We'll try to make you smile when it's all said and done.
Okay, and I would love to point out some of the safety features here too, just to give some inspiration, because I do know a lot of people like to take advantage of Bath Fitter, especially when it comes to needing that, like I mentioned, kind of that independence once again in the bathroom if you're challenged with getting in and out. There you have the seat, you also have the handlebar here. As Justin mentioned, you can make this as specific as you like to your needs, even including the rise on the base of the shower.
That's
too,
correct.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
The fold down options for the seat as well as the slide bar and handheld options for your shower heads. We do the doors as well, and you've already mentioned the roll-in accessible bases. And pretty much any dimension that's there. So we can definitely come up with a solution that's going to be more accessible.
Wonderful. And Justin, one more time, where do people go for information?
www.bathfitter.com or bathfittersacramento.com and 916-250-1664.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.